Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. First, allow WhatsApp to access contacts. Open the Settings app on your device, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Find WhatsApp and open it. Under the Allow WhatsApp to Access section, select Contacts, then tap on Full Access. If that does not work, check Screen Time Restrictions. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under the Privacy section, tap on Contacts and change the option to Allow Changes. Go back, select Contacts again, scroll to find WhatsApp, and enable full access. Confirm by tapping Allow. If the issue remains, delete and reinstall WhatsApp. Long press the app icon, tap Remove App, then Delete App. After that, reinstall it. As a final method, reset contact sync with iCloud. Go to Settings, tap Apple ID, then iCloud. Under Apps using iCloud, enable Contacts. Open WhatsApp and check your contacts. So that's basically how you can fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.